Hello guys, today we will proceed further and we will learn that how to create a test bench on Verilog code of your particular module. So in the previous tutorial we had seen that how to make a module of two input and gate. So now we'll see that for that two input and gate, how to check the simulation behavior by creating a test bench. In the previous tutorial I had shown you that how to check the simulation behavior by giving the force constant one by one, and it is a time consuming process to give a force constant and value at each cycle one by one. Instead of that, uh, test bench is more preferable for a longer and bigger codes. So we'll look into it that how to create a simple test bench Verilog code for your simple and two input and gate. So let's proceed further. This is the code, and to see how we wrote this code you can follow up the previous tutorial. So here we will go and click on the right click, and we will create a new source. In the new source, click on the Verilog test fixture, as we are creating a Verilog test bench file. So for that we will select a source type to be the Verilog text fixture. Here we will give some name tb. Let's give the test bench name tb and git, and then next. And this is selected by default, as we are having only one file under this project. And next and finish. So here you can see a test bench is created for two input and gate. So under this, half of the code is written, and in the initial begin we will put the inputs combination for which we need to see the output. So here, after we will give some delay of 5 nanoseconds. After that we will give the input as 0 and B is 1. Then again the delay of 5. Then A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 1. Sorry, this time we'll take this as 0 and this as 1. And then again the delay, after the delay of 5 nanoseconds, we'll see A is equal to 1 and B is equal to 1. So for two input AND gates there are four possible combinations which are provided. You can see we have already provided. Then we will save this file, and then we will simulate it. So here you can see that without giving a force constant we are able to see the all possible waveforms of our two input and gate module. I'm clicking the sorry, I should you can click on the maximize zoom in button to look at into the broader waveforms. Okay, zoom to fit in. So you can see here all possible combination. Let me show you by zooming in into it a little bit. So this is the output for 00, as you, so A is and B are the input and C is the output. So for 00 we are getting output as 0, so this is correct. For 1 0 we are getting output 0. This is correct. For 0 1 1 0 again we are getting output 0, and yes, it is correct. And for 1 1 we need to suppose to get output as 1, and we are getting as 1. So yes, we have successfully implemented and created a test bench file for our AND gate module. So in the next coming up tutorial, we'll see some complex circuits and how to make the simulation behavior and test bench code for that particular circuit. Till then, stay tuned and stay safe, guys, and follow up and do like and share if you like the learning part. Thank you so much.